Why you should buy Tesla stocks? Is it because of the PE ratio? Is it because of the market cap? Or is it because of their cars? You will see. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. So let's have a quick look at the PE ratio. As of today, the 16th September 2020, the PE ratio is at over 1000. Which means Tesla stock is trading over 1000 times its earnings. That's the highest PE ratio amongst the American mega cap stocks. But why is it so high in the first place? Because people have trust in this company. It can do way more than that. That's why they are willing to pay a high price for that. Next question. Why is Tesla the most valuable car maker in the world? Because it is not only a car maker, but also a tech company with its most advanced smash the like button, its autopilot function, and its ability to do software update of the cars over the air. If you own a Tesla car, it gets better thanks to the software update year after year. For example, through improved energy management that expands its range or additional function like Sentry mode, where you can see your Tesla cars through its built-in cameras and much more. That's something that other car makers can't do. For example, with the Porsche Taycan, which is just released this year, you have to go to the dealership every time there's a software update. Considering the high price of a Porsche car in general, I would expect more from them. I can imagine that it is inconvenient for the customers and it can be annoying. On top of that, Tesla also does solar panels. So it is also an energy company. That's why Tesla is the most valuable car maker in the world. It is like a car maker plus or car maker 2.0. The reason why Tesla cars are the market leader for EV cars because it solves many problems that EV vehicles had. For example, speed, acceleration, range, charging infrastructure, etc. That's something that Tesla could solve, and that's why Tesla cars are the market leader in EV vehicles. But whose idea is it? It is. My question for you is, what do you think about Tesla cars? Comment in the video description below. Elon Musk's idea. In 2006, Elon Musk has already envisioned that Tesla will produce mass-market EV vehicles like sedans and compact cars. A sedan is like the Model 3 nowadays, so it sounds like the next step is an even more affordable compact car. But not only that, in 2016, he also planned to make Tesla cars as robo-taxis, where Tesla owners can make money from their Tesla cars. So according to some rumors, they can make like even $30,000 per year. So the Tesla cars are multifunctional, along with solar panels charging the Tesla cars. That's something that no other car makers do or will do. Because Elon Musk is so essential for Tesla's success, let's have a closer look in his past. His first company was... Any questions so far, feedbacks or comments, leave it in the video description below. In 1995, which is called Zip2, an IT company providing city guides for media companies. 4 years later, he sold his company for about $300 million, where he received about $20 million out of the transaction. In the same year, he started XCOM with $10 million of funding with his own money. XCOM was a predecessor of PayPal. 3 years later, in 2002, it was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion, where Elon Musk received about $165 million as compensation. In 2004, he invested about $6 million in the EV maker company Tesla, but he became CEO in 2008 during the financial crisis at that time. 2 years later, in 2010, Tesla went public with $17 a share, and the rest is history. As you can see, Elon Musk is a pretty successful entrepreneur, no matter which company he leads. It's the same thing with SpaceX right now. Personally, I will even invest in a garbage collecting company if Elon Musk started. Of course, we wish Elon Musk all the best for the future and that the compact car will be an instant hit. In Musk we trust. Subscribe and see you next time.